Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps launched short and medium-range ballistic missiles at U.S. military installations in
Allahu Akbar. Madam.
Guard Corps launched short and medium-range ballistic missiles at U.S. military installations in Qatar, Al-Udeid Air Base, and Iraq, in direct retaliation for U.S. airstrikes on Iranian nuclear facilities 2 days earlier. Warning and coordination. Iran informed Qatari authorities in advance, prompting a temporary closure of Qatari airspace. This coordination aimed to avoid casualties and minimize broader risk outcome. All missiles were intercepted by Qatar's air defenses. The U.S. and Qatar reported zero casualties or damage. Iran's stance. Tehran described the strike as a mighty and successful response and cautioned against future U.S. aggression. They emphasized that the attack was symbolic, not intended to harm civilians, especially in Qatar, in line with their diplomatic warning. Regional fallout. Qatar condemned the strike as a violation of its sovereignty, affirming its right to respond under international law. Neighboring Gulf states, UAE, Bahrain, Kuwait, Iraq, also closed airspace or elevated alerts. U.S. response. President Trump convened a Situation Room meeting with senior defense officials. The Pentagon remains on high alert, closely monitoring the aftermath and potential next steps. The attack was highly coordinated and symbolic, designed to convey strength without escalating into mass casualties. U.S. missile defense systems in the region performed effectively under pressure. Though Iran clearly aimed to send a deterrent message, the restraint shown indicates it did not seek outright war, at least for now. The incident raises the stakes significantly. Regional airspace disruptions, heightened military readiness, and growing tensions between Iran and Gulf states. U.S. strategic options could include further sanctions, diplomatic pressure, defensive reinforcement, or military retaliation. Gulf states' response. Qatar retains the right to reply. Other GCC nations may join coordinated responses. Regional stability. The conflict now involves Iran, the U.S., Israel, and Gulf countries, a flashpoint that could spiral if not de-escalated.